Good morning, students. Welcome to this video. I am S. Mohan Sundari, Department of Chemistry. So, in this video, we are going to discuss Chapter 5, Air. Before that, we have to recap some topics. So, we already discussed the components of air: nitrogen, oxygen. So, we all know nitrogen is the major component that present in air. Approximately, it present in the range of 78 percentage, and oxygen is 21 percentage. Nitrogen gas is very important for all the living things because it is helpful for the growth of all the living things like plants, animals, and human beings. And oxygen is very essential for breathing. In respiration process, oxygen is inhaled by us and we are exhaling carbon dioxide gas. At high altitudes, that mountainer carry oxygen cylinder with them because at high altitude the oxygen level is very low, so they carry oxygen cylinder with them. And also oxygen cylinder is used in hospitals and it also used by sea divers. So these are the ways that nitrogen and oxygen are very helpful to us. As well as oxygen supports burning, that is combustion. Without oxygen, nothing will burn because the burning process is based upon the gas oxygen. So it is very essential for burning process. It supports burning. So now we can discuss another more topics like carbon dioxide, water vapor, dust particles, and smoke. So let us see the first one, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a colorless and odorless gas. That is, it is colorless and not smell, and also it has sour taste, slightly sour in taste. So carbon dioxide is moderately soluble in water. It does not completely dissolve, it just moderately soluble in water. It extinguishes a fire. It turns off the burning fire. Carbon dioxide extinguishes a burning fire. And the next thing, plants and animals consume oxygen from air for their respiration and produce carbon dioxide. So plants and animals inhales oxygen and it exhales carbon dioxide. So in that way carbon dioxide is produced. And also plants and animals matter burns by consuming oxygen from air and produces mainly carbon dioxide and few other gases. So plants, animals, not only plants and animals, human being matters also burns by consuming oxygen and they produce mainly carbon dioxide gas and it releases few more gases. So, what is carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is a chemical compound. It is composed of one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. So, the formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. It is present in Earth's atmosphere at low concentration and it also acts as a greenhouse gas which leads to global warming. So, next one, the solid state of carbon dioxide is called dry ice. So the dry ice is used in coolants in the preservation of fishes, etc. So the dry ice is replaceable of normal ice. So it is an artificial ice made up of carbon dioxide. And the next one is photosynthesis. In sunlight, the green plants use carbon dioxide from the air and also it takes water from the soil to make their food. So this process is called photosynthesis. This is very important one. So kindly note down. Photosynthesis is the process of making the food by using carbon dioxide, water. So all the food which animals and human beings eat is made from carbon dioxide gas in the air. So without carbon dioxide, there will be no plants and the animals on earth. So without carbon dioxide, we can't. The plants cannot make their food. So if the plants cannot make their food means the plants would not live. So if there is no plant, we cannot get proper food. So there would be no plants, animals, human beings on the earth without carbon dioxide. So they need some carbon dioxide for their growth, as well as the plants which is in water bodies. They also use the carbon dioxide which is slightly dissolved in that water. So the next one is water vapor. So air also contains water vapor. We cannot see the water vapor, but we can know that water vapor is the water which is in the form of gas. So when air comes in contact with the cool surface of the water, so the water vapor present in the atmosphere that automatically condenses to form tiny drops. So in this picture we can see there is ice cube kept in a glass tumbler. So after few seconds, around the glass tumbler surface, we can see some tiny droplets. This is because a normal water vapor which is around in this atmosphere comes in contact with that cool surface. So in that cool surface, it again condensed. So when the normal water vapor lead to contact with that glass surface, that means cool surface, they automatically come back to the original state, that is they automatically condenses to form tiny drops of water. So the next one, water vapor comes into the air by the process of evaporation as well as by the process of transpiration. Evaporation is done like in ponds, lakes, rivers, oceans, but transpiration is done from the plants and animals. So evaporation and transpiration is the same process for by giving the water vapor, but the bodies are different. So the ponds, lakes, rivers, in water bodies the evaporation will occur. Transpiration will occur in plants and trees. So this is working of water cycle. So the water from the earth surface gets evaporated, transpirated, and then they need to form a cloud on top of the earth's atmosphere. As well as after some period of time, they again condensed to give back the same water. So they condensed to give the water in the form of rain. So this is called water cycle. This water cycle keeps the water level constant in our earth. So the next topic is dust particles. So dust particles is also present in air in less amount. We can say this is the main source of dust particles. No, the dust particles may come from different number of sources. So for example, traffic on the roads, blowing of wind, volcanic eruption, agricultural particles, dusting at homes. So like this, we cannot say the particular is the source of giving dust. So there is lots of sources that produces dust. So the amount of dust will differ from place to place and time to time. So the presence of dust particle may differ, but it comes from number of sources. So these dust particles is the one of the major cause of air pollution. So when we inhale the gas with dust particles, it damages our respiratory system as well as it damages our whole body health. So the next one is smoke. Smoke is also present in air. Like dust particles, water vapor, smoke is also present in air. Smoke consists of fine carbon particles and some other gases. This smoke is produced by burning of fuels like petroleum, kerosene, diesel, coal, as well as burning of wood. So, burning of some things produce the smoke that contains fine carbon particles and some gases. So, this smoke is always harmful to our health. So, breathing of air which contains smoke is compulsory damage our health. So, we usually see tall chimneys in factories. We can see chimneys in industries and factories as well as in our home also. We built our kitchen with a small chimney. So, this chimney works for releasing that smoke from our kitchen or from the industries to the top of the Earth's atmosphere. So, the tall chimneys in factories are installed to take that smoke to high place in the air. So, it reduces, by this way we can reduce that harmful effect on the ground level. So as well as the vehicles that releases smoke containing harmful gases. So we can take some safety measures by releasing this smoke into proper way. Thank you, students. I hope you all understood this video.